Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to join the VIP membership of Iqiyi app or web. Now if you want to join the VIP section, you want to be able to watch those VIP animes, those VIP movies and dramas on Iqiyi. What you do is that, and you want to go through the TV app. Let's say you have it on your TV. What you do is that you have to visit Apple TV or Android TV. Then use the remote controller to open the sidebar and click the Me option. Then click on My Membership and you can actually choose the type of VIP there that you want. Then follow the steps that are prompted on the screen and use your logged in Apple or Google account to make your purchase. Now if you're using the Roku TV, what you do is that you use the remote controller to open the sidebar and click the Me option, where you see the option My VIP. Then you click My VIP and you can see the type of VIP available on Roku TV. So follow the instructions on the TV screen to complete your purchase using Roku Pay, which is the only one available Roku Pay for Roku TV. Note that the VIP subscription is linked to the account you logged in when purchasing. You cannot transfer the VIP to another account after purchasing. Hope you find this video helpful.